Hey people of YouTube, I heard that if you drink a lot of pop in a rapid session, you'll get a bubbly feeling in your throat. Some people like that, but it kind of bubbles. So, I got some pop. I feel like it's a great day, and I feel like drinking some pop. Yeah, love my soda. Okay, this is Pepsi, and this is bubbles the most probably. So, I'm gonna drink it. Feel that tingle. Okay, I can't seem to get this whole thing. I can't seem to get this whole thing down. So,
I'll call you back whenever I get home. Bye.
okay, so I can't do it, so I think I should do it more. Almost done. I can't get a burp out. Okay. So that is the burping challenge. You drink like a big giant, as much pop as you can hold, and then make a belch. Bigger people, it's an easier challenge. Okay? Big people, big challenge. Little people, kids, well, not really. It's a challenge, okay? So, belching challenge, burping challenge, whatever you want to call it. But, just use a cup and drink it, chug it down, and try and burp. Ooh. So, I didn't pass the burping challenge, so whoever can get the biggest belch, just subscribe to me and make a video, and whoever has the biggest burp wins the challenge. And if it's loud enough, then yeah, you'll probably win. So I didn't win. If you make a little kind of noise, that's nothing. Okay. So maybe usually kids would like to do it because it's funny. Okay. So please subscribe, leave a comment below for any other challenges. Stupid stuff that people usually do every day. So, bye people of YouTube.